Yes, children, this is slide number 24, lecture number 6, PU part of electrochemistry. So, this is a second concept video of electrochemical series, which I told that I will be doing it. So, this is really mind blowing, this concept video. See, I'll give you some beautiful illustrations. Sometimes, what happens if you read just like that, read the lines, what is given here, and by heart, you forget things. You have to understand in an in depth way. That is what we are going to learn here. Now, I'm reading the statement. The metal having negative reduction potential, can liberate hydrogen from dilute acids, whereas a metal with positive reduction potential cannot liberate hydrogen from dilute acids. Why this statement is given like this? How can we understand this in a better way? So, as I was telling you in the classes, electrochemistry and the redox reactions has a very, very great connection, children. You have to understand this. Okay, now electrochemical series. Okay, what statement was given there? Metal with metal with negative standard reduction potential can liberate hydrogen from dilute acid. So, how this is possible? Now, see, understand. You take, for example, zinc. See, standard reduction potential of zinc electrode is equal to minus 0.76 volt. So, this value you have to by heart. For zinc and copper, you have to by heart. This is common. Okay. These are all called some standard values of some important electrodes for your PU and competitive. So, now what they said is, if you put zinc metal in dilute acid, if you put zinc metal in dilute acid, if you put zinc metal in dilute acid, then zinc will get oxidized to zinc 2 plus and hydrogen gas will be liberated. This is the statement what was discussed there. Now see, if a metal has negative value of standard reduction potential, this means that it cannot undergo reduction, but why it cannot undergo reduction? Because SRP value is least. Negative value. Cannot say it is least, we can say it is less. Because least is something different, lithium is the least. Or in the other words, I can tell that standard oxidation potential is equal to plus 0.76 volt, because standard oxidation potential of any metal is negative value of standard reduction potential, which means it has a positive value of standard oxidation potential. Children, that is the only reason why zinc is undergoing oxidation here very easily. Therefore, any metal with negative reduction potential can liberate hydrogen from dilute acids. Okay? Now you take for example copper. Here copper, if you put it in dilute acid, will you get hydrogen gas? Means the answer is no. Reason is E naught SRP value, standard reduction potential of copper, is plus 0.34 volt. Since it is having positive value of SRP, it cannot undergo oxidation. Therefore, it cannot liberate hydrogen gas from dilute acids. Okay, this is the second concept video. Like this, you have another 1 or 2 more videos. We will discuss some more applications. So this is the first application of electrochemical series. Okay, good.